To get the most out of the Razer Family 2024, start by unboxing and connecting your devices to your computer, ensuring all cables are securely plugged in. Download and install the Razer Synapse software, which allows you to customize settings, update firmware, and sync your devices. Adjust the sensitivity of your Razer mouse using the Synapse software to set your preferred DPI settings and customize button mappings. For your keyboard, set up keybinds and macros and personalize the lighting effects. On your headset, adjust the audio settings for optimal sound quality, utilizing features like 7.1 surround sound and equalizer tweaks. Regularly update your firmware to access the latest features and bug fixes. Use Synapse to sync your devices for a cohesive experience. If issues arise, check connections and update drivers to the latest version. By following these steps, you can enhance your gaming and productivity experience with the Razer Family 2024. Customize your devices to fit your needs and enjoy superior performance and customization options. This guide helps you troubleshoot common issues and maximize the potential of your Razer devices.